candy in it.
No, there's not.
Where'd it go?
What do you mean?
You ate it.
No, I didn't. Kenny, did you eat the candy? Daddy eat it?
You didn't.
I didn't eat it.
So-
I haven't been home.
Did Daddy eat yours too? Let me see. I can't see it. Take it out. That's empty.
I didn't eat it. I wasn't home.
Yeah.
No,
You ate
I
it.
just got home.
You did eat it.
Where's Chloe?
I don't know. I had it. I had it. Just had it. I just had it.
There's nothing in there? All your treats are gone? Oh no.
Ah. No, I don't. Now I need more candy.
But Halloween is over. You can't go trick-or-treating now. You can't get candy anymore.
But how about I can get some of these?
I don't have any. There's no more candy left in the house.
No. What?
I told you the box is gone by the door.
Do we have more candy?
No. Daddy ate them all.
Why?
I don't know.
I just stinky.
Hmm?
Daddy is stinky. Daddy, I told you. I told Mom
What happened, Chloe?
Daddy, I told Mom you're stinky.
Did I trick you? Or did Daddy eat your candy really?
Where's the candy?
Chloe, are you crying?
Just give it back now.
I hid your candy, Chloe. I hid your candy, Riley. Do you want me to show it to you where it is? Chloe, do you want me to give you back your candy?
Yes.
Somebody's upset. Do you want me to give you the candy back?